Seanad Ó Céidigh.
Agus tá gera Canada nó Canada tí seo cuidir thuirca ar an Gaeltachta heachtaiste folú agus is féidir máall an aspa síma atá léide ó híomh na Gaeilge agus ó hí forbert an tean goide níháil san Gaeltachta sa tír seo fad. An buséid a bhí an teachtain seo caite tá laidú go ceadach ó faoin gé tacaí tacaíoch go seachtain na Gaeilge ó híomh 2020 go dtí 2016. Tá laidú go chuige faoin gé tacaíoch go údarás na Gaeltachta ó híomh fóstaíocht a chud ar fáil go muintir na Gaeltachtas na Gaeltachtaí. One of the proudest things we all have is that our connection in relation to Irish and Irishness. But quite frankly, I find that this government are totally ignoring us, are treating us like you're in an Indian reservation or something. And quite frankly, I'm asking the leader to bring in the Minister for the Gaeltacht to tell us what is his and his department's policy in relation to the Gaeltacht and the development of the Irish and the Irish language in our country. I saw students there earlier and they're great to see them from a secondary school. And one of the things that we got to teach them, we got to hand on to them, is what is unique and what is special about us being Irish people, which we're very proud of. The more we go European, the more we go worldwide, the more the internet and all that comes in on us, the more we got to say, this is who we are and what we're about as people. And our language and our culture, to me, is absolutely key. And I'm looking for all of your support in ensuring that actually the Irish language and culture and employment, similar employment opportunities for people in the Gaeltacht regions as well as people from outside the Gaeltacht regions were on a level par. Because quite frankly, we're second class, if not third class citizens. Thank you.